Joe, it's hanging out again.
Sorry. What's going on, guys? Joe here from Forgeworks Bottle Axes. Today I'm building a miniature version of Kratos' axe from God of War. Stick around and watch me build it. This is Kratos from God of War. That's a pretty sweet axe he's got there. I'm going to make a small version of it. I'm going to start by forging out the handle, then welding the blades to the handle. With the blades all put in place, I'm going to get started on the pommel. Well, I think it's called the pommel. On a sword, that piece is called the pommel. What's it called on the axe? Put it down in the comments below. Hey guys, what you doing in there? Using the laser engraver, I cut out the design through this vinyl sticker. I'm going to use it as a masking and then put the whole thing into the sandblaster when I'm done. This process always makes me nervous. So much can go wrong. Sometimes the masking gets blown off from the pressure in the sandblaster, or sometimes the masking pulls up some of the finish. I'd hate for any of that to happen, then have to sandblast things and start over. So, did it work? So overall, I'm really happy with the way this came out. Somebody's going to have a pretty nasty bottle opener. If you guys like the video, please give it a like. If you like what I do, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.